Hey pharmacist, is your patient starting Ozempic for the first time or thinking of increasing their dose? Here's my number one recommendation to tell your patients. Medications like Ozempic can be life-changing for managing blood sugar and even supporting weight loss. But a common side effect, especially in the beginning, is stomach discomfort. The key? Start low and go slow. Begin at the lowest dose and gradually increase to help your body adjust. For Ozempic, the typical starting dose is 0.25 milligrams once weekly for the first 4 weeks. After that, most people increase to 0.5 milligrams weekly, eventually reaching 1 milligram or even 2 milligrams weekly if needed. Now here's the most important part. It's okay to take your time with dose increases. If you're still experiencing side effects, don't rush. Speak to your healthcare provider about a slower titration schedule that works for you. A few additional tips to minimize side effects include: eat smaller portions, chew your food slowly, stop eating before you feel completely full. If side effects persist, work with your provider. They may temporarily lower your dose or suggest staying at a lower dose that feels comfortable for you. Starting Ozempic doesn't have to be intimidating. With a little patience and the right approach, you can reduce side effects and feel more confident in your treatment journey. If you found this helpful, please let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, pharmacists.